Chester. Steal by LeBron James.
Yung white talaga.
Oh, Commissioner 2, number 1. O tayo na. Hunter x Hunter 4-3.
Ano na yan?
Hernandez. Number 1.
Peta, triple sa loob.
Good foul.
Nag-i-score. Safety Peta.
Nag-i-score.
Nice one. Ba't talo kayo nag-commentator? Magugulo yung shot score.
Hindi.
Sabi mo balik tayo.
Kaya nga, ito na. 3. Ikaw na ulit. 3 points siyempre. Jared. Gatol lang ako.
Late lang ito ni next eh.
Who's fouled? Number 11. First personal foul. Papawalan niya. Ewan. Sino ba yung number 11?
Janet nakalagay sa likod. Ikaw magkaganay pa kaapa. Ano ba dyan, Dol? Dol, pangalan mo, Dol? Sino ba dyan?
Number 11. Number 11.
Iko.
Oh, nakasin yung foul dito.
Ano yata? Suluweta tayo. Suluweta sa mga. May ko lang dito. Makalagay dito. May taas ako na.
Second try. Nashoot yun?
Diretso, Miko! Diretso ulit!
Kaya nga, ano? Kaya hindi ko sinasabi.
Ano ba?
Yun. 2 points ulit.
2 points, ano, Peta? 2 points.
Books mo.
Open man, ha?
Half door.
Tira reps!
Ipan tayo.
Follow mo tong, ano, Makoy, follow mo tong iPad, Hey! Baba na, sir.
Harold to Jared.
Bantu.
Balik. Perimeter. Jared sa 3 points.
Ano, tres?
Size.
6 points. Jared.
Pass.
Ako ni Chester naman din. Pinasa ni Jared.
Nice! Jetro.
Jared pa rin. Wala. Jared James. Pero, wala naman Jared Chester. Sa 3 points. Wala. Nash. Easy to go.
Meron na light, Nash!
Bibisuan, commission lang yan. Walang yung referee, isa lang referee. Depensa na lang.
Jetro. To Pita.
Peta pala. Yabot na lang.
Hindi namin kilala eh.
Peta.
Sorry naman. Jared to Chester. Chester to Nash.
What's up?
Next up.
Ready sub, rep. Ready sub. Point yan, ano?
Oh, Nash.
Substitution. Yes. Pasok yung mga pasok. Labas yung mga lalabasan.
Nice, Nash.
Pagod na ka na.
Single quarter.
Nice one, Nash.
Kaya mo. Baldo din.
Ay!
Saan pumasok ng coach? Sa kabila, oh.
Sinecheck pasok din yan, sir.
Ha?
Pasok din.
Sinecheck mo.
Chester 2.
Cutter, sila.
Chester sa 3 point.
3 points. Ready sub.
Rep, ready sub, rep. Ready sub. Go. Go. Ready.
Malaki tayo. Ganun lang, malaki tayo.
Crystal Basilio 2 points. Bigay, Aaron. Bigay.
Wala.
Hindi, still si Aaron.
Substitution, rep.
Sabo? Nice, James. Okay, bawal.
Nakascreen si Dons, oy.
Tumahi yata ang buta.
Oh, depensa para, depensa!
Palitan mo si ano.
After second quarter mo.
Masyadong mapagod.
Bigay!
Jared.
Mr. Longby!
Wala. Jared.
Ay!
Oh, Jared. Tristan to Jared. Chester. Basilio. Seal by Jared.
Kaya, hindi ko alam eh. Masisi pa ako yun. Under 2 minutes, walang sab, ha?
Basta yung mga sa toilet.
Easy point by Chester.
Jason.
Billy. Assist. Tristan. To Chester. Chester derecho. Rep, ready sub, rep. Ready sub. Sub. Pasok niya.
Second quarter.
Wala pa.
Ay, paulo yan. Ayaw. Jason? Oh, ang tayo yun eh.
Ready sub, rep. Ready sub. Third team foul. Christian first. Personal foul.
Pila na foul ya?
Second side. Jackson Jackson point.
Venga!
Wala, rebound si Sison. Sison na.
Leslie. Diba? Wala pa. Foul.
Nice, Jackson!
Foul ni Sison. Sison, diretso. Tabi wala. Christian Jackson, 10 seconds.
Pila niya mga tinadyo?
Wala, nakahuli niya.
18-23. 18-23.
Foul na Leslie. Foul na Norwood.
Jackson.
Ang pangalan ni Norwood.
In time. Hindi pa tapos dito eh. Hintay mo lang yan.
Wait lang, wala pa eh.
Ito nga dito. Ako din eh. Sinichismis ako nito. Hindi ko na.
Isa.
Period.
1 point kay Nash.
Second, tapos...
Back to the ball game.
Uy, score! 49.
Wait lang! Ayan. Second na yan.
Kevin si Leslie. Mark 1. Nasa sa gilid. Swing sa gitna. Swing again.
Uy!
Tanan. Offensive foul.
Wala offensive. Wala na series na parehas.
Ano yan? Out of bounds. Yes boss, walang foul. Padong na dun sa makuha. LeBron, titira ng 3. Wala. 4-less. Leslie sa gitna. Jackson. Wala pa din. Leslie in the rebound. Fade away. 2 points. Leslie.
Assist by Franco.
Assist by Franco. Box, dribbling the ball. Naghahanap na ang mga pasahan. Naghahanap pa rin. Inuusok. Jackson for 3. Isama na yan, box. Leslie, dribbling the ball. Matawag na play. Binigay kay Jared. Jackson for 3 again. No good. Rebound by Peta. Umari. 2 points by Jason. 2 points.
Tatlo na lang.
Commissioner shot. 2 points. Easy peasy. Level easy. Gano'n na kakapit, bigay kayo ng ball. Rebol, set up. Rebol the screen. Box it. 2 meters, nice play. Nakakalipat, wrong with a rebound.
Ayan, Leslie. Ay.
Check foul. Who's foul, ref? Number 40. Ref sub. Bogs. Bogs sa kala.
Boom siya, kala siya.
Jared. Organized. Nice screen by Leslie. Jared for 3. No good. Beating with the bounce out rebound.
Ay.
Pumasok ulit kay Billy. Pinagkita for 3. 3 points. Score 28-26 in favor of 28. Leslie. Binigay kay Jackson. Jackson to Leslie. Cut by Christian. Jackson ulit. 3 points. No good. Christian with the rebound. Up. Turn around. Wala. Jason with the rebound. Nagmamadali. May takip sa labas. 2 points by Jason. Time out, coach. Ready, time out. Out. Yes. Coach, but coach. We got the reball. Bumangga. Iba. Reball with the rebound. Penetrating shot. Wala. Rebound by Leslie. LeBron all the way. No good. Billy with the rebound. Jason. Oh, perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by Leslie. Jared. Rep, ready up, rep. Ready up. Time out. Jumping rabbit. Jumping pala. Sasek ba?
Wala yan, alak ko mamaya.
Alak pa.
Yan ang epekto pag nasosobra sa anak. Ang hirap tuwakbo.
Dami ko tira, apat ah.
Ay.
Refer na lang ako, refer.
Ay, tabla na.
Back to the ball game.
Ano na ball game?
Paying referee ang puta.
Dami ko open na tira, kaya.
Okay lang yan.
Billy. Bigay sa gitna kay Gabe Norwood. Spinning bucket. No good. Rebound by LeBron James.
Baba! Lapit!
LeBron James. Bigay kay Jared. Nagkataon in place, Jared.
Sa screen, switch!
Chester for 3, oh, fake. Fake, penetrate sa gitna kay Christian.
Ay!
Oy, wrong pass. Sayang.
Pass wrong.
Pass wrong, wrong pass. Doing again, doing the ball, doing the penetrate. Pass-up, sa gitna kay Jetro. Power move with a nice steal by Chester. Oh, yung popcorn foul. Who's foul ref? Dahil penalty, kakasimula ko lang.
Pinapagalit din ah. Pinapagalit mo.
Second team foul.
Ayos mo, sabi mo ah.
Chester. Arrow for 3. No good. Rebound by Gabe Norwood.
Ulang!
Against Gabe Norwood. Penetrating shot. Nice one. Wala. Chester with the nice rebound.
Next up daw.
Chester. No good. Rebound by Miko. Set.
Next up daw.
Ref, next up.
Mukhang sana, mag-isa na nga.
Miko. Oy. Nice pass to Billy. No good. Chester with a nice rebound. Fake. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Jared. Nagkamata na rin. Lahat ng nakamay. Dalawa sila. Naging tayo ng mabakasahan. Pass to Christian. Oh! Traveling without visa. Substitution. Pass na.
Tawag mo naman, sobrang malaki. Hindi ka na bagay dito.
Tapos si LeBron. Ika, nakakawag ng play. Hindi ng mabakasahan. Pass to Paul. Paul penetrating. Tumakot sa loob. Nilabas ulit. Miko for 3. No good. Paul with the rebound. Nice shot to Wall. Nice pass. Kumonga. Norwood for 2 points. Assist by Miko.
Pero pumili. Alam ko wala kasi.
Oh, Chester to Aaron to Christian, Jared for 3. No good. Norwood for the rebound.
Balik! Takimo!
Okay, Norwood. Ano yun?
Sub!
Substitute. Red. Pasok. Pumasok.
Nandun yung nag-foul, nandun yung referee. Ano yun? Dito lang makikita.
Okay, Chester. Second table for Gus. Jared. Up. Wala. Hindi na lang muna. Nice pass to Chester. Wala pa din. Papasok sa loob. Nice pass to Christian. Wala. Tapos, up. Ano ba yun? Wala ka. Nagtayo na sila. Foul! Red! Nice rebound! Rebound by Kaibigan! Pass to the ball! Kailangan ng tao sa ilalim! Sabi ni Coach Lebron! Ay, kailangan ng ref pala sa ilalim! Commissioner! Hinabol ni Jetro! 2 versus 1!
Nasa ito dito.
Oh! Nice rebound! Isa lang po ang referee natin. Wala nang magreklamo sa barangay na. Commissioner for 3, no good. With a nice rebound by Christian. Wala pa din. Paul with the rebound. Foul. Christian. Sub. Pasok. Leslie, luka mo.
Yung dalawa. Ay, si Jackson pa.
Kumain si Jackson. Game room, Jetro. Nice steal by Tristan.
Ayun, lumusot.
Nice steal by Tristan. 1 versus 4. Oh, Pinoy step. Papuntang Pilipinas. Foul by Moose Power. Foul by Jason.
Pangalan niya?
Fourth personal foul, Jason. Ulul. First shot, no good. Baldog. Ringless.
Mas masaya kasi sumayo dito sa akin.
One more. Wala pa rin. Pangilinan with the rebound. Jason, penetrating individual box. Spin move. Jason to box. Perimeter shot. No good. Pangilinan. Nice follow-up. Box out daw, sabi ni Coach Lebron.
Tatanda na daw kayo.
Pagod na kasi. Kulang ka.
Leslie with a fake. Shot daw, sabi ni Box. Wala. Jason. Chill lang muna, sabi ni Jason. Box. Nakawang play. Jason for 3. Wala, egg lang. Nice pass. Oh, Pinoy step. 2 points. Assist. Kasi ba yun? Wala. Walang assist.
Binuray ba siya?
Nakakalimutan mo kung ano nangyayari muna. Oy! Nice steal by Rebol. Nagmamadali. Coast to coast back. Nice pass to Jason. Left-handed.
Tambak!
Assist by Rebol.
Coach, tambak na kayo!
Kaya yan, sabi ni Lebron.
Ayan na si Jackson, katatay lang.
Tumahay ka daw eh. Nice rebound by Rebol. Kaya pa yan. Binigay kay Gabe Norwood. Pangilinan. Fake. Labas mo na kay Nico to box. Nag-iisip. Jason. 4-3. Big man rebound. Out by Aaron. Same ball.
Jackson, makakashoot na yan, nakapagbawas na.
Pumasok na ba? Pangilinan. No good. Nico to the rebound. Wala pa rin.
Uy! Walang rep.
Sorry.
Oras.
Huwag tumalon, box out na.
Oras mo, Koy.
Oh, 29 seconds.
29 seconds.
29 seconds. Commissioner. Oh. Foul by Nico. Nico, 2 personal fouls.
Malayo daw sa bituka.
Ay, yeah. Saan ulit babalik?
Pre. Tuhan mga paano, hindi mo rin.
Paano to?
Si Jason, nakadami ng alak.
Next. Start.
Wala pumasok. Wala pumasok.
I-start niya na.
Back to the ball game.
Isa start lang. Okay. Kanina kasi, may pinipindit si Jackson.
Nalaki nun. Nakabukot ka na ba nun?
Hindi yan sabihin yan, yung Rivaldo.
Wala ka nun. Alis pa namin, hindi namin naabutan. Wala.
Nung nakaraan?
Yan pa rin,
Back to the ball game, Chester. Messi with the screen. Oh, wala nang pagsigna. Back to Messi.
Ay!
Nice cut by Messi. Floater. Rebound by LeBron James. 2 points by LeBron. Dalawa lang ang tumatanda.
Ano, may ilalim na tayo?
Meron tayong center.
Gabe Norwood.
Hindi, wala akong hindi pala.
Tapos nasa sa ilalim kayo. Post up move. Walang foul rep. Forward to Spencer. Wow! By Jason Derulo.
Ano si Jason?
Jason,
Ray,
personal foul.
Apat na sunod.
Apat na daw. Jason foul play.
Tatlo agad. December 4, tatlo na agad.
Oo nga.
First row.
Kaya nga ako eh. Pagpasok ko pa lang eh. Nakita agad.
Jack, ano? Makakashoot ka na?
Second row is good. By Chester. Ball setting up for the lane. 4 balls in the hoop. Oh, okay, coach. Penetration, Huy. Ayan. Jason for 3. Let's give it an easy rebound. Chester, penetrating. LeBron James. LeBron. Kaya Chester sa ilalim. To Jackson for 3. Chester with the rebound. 38-34, Lamang ang ano ba yung boys in the hoop? Ball in the hoop. Kaya to Boggs. Boggs to Jason. Jason, iisip na mag-tres. Ibigay sa gitna kay Boggs. Good. Christian with a nice rebound. LeBron. LeBron. Mapag-coast-to-coast ba? Mapag-coast-to-coast yan. Hindi. Jason. Sabay. Foul by Jason Rest. 31. Repol. Christian to LeBron James. LeBron James. Oh! Oy! Nice fake out! Oh! Hantay! Bagsak! Boggs for 2! Okay lang? Boggs for 2 points. Fred. Opo. Magkasab ka ba? Magkasab, Fred. Magkasab. Christian. Nakahanap ng mga saan? Chester to Chester. Oh, Leslie sa gitna sa perimeter. James Norwood. Steal by Leslie. LeBron James. Oy, shot padding pa muna. 1 rebound and 2 points. Shot padding pa muna si LeBron eh.
Kanina yun? 38? 36 pala.
Paul. Yeah. Jason for me, wala. Chester with the takbo daw, sabi ni Chester. Takbo, Jackson, takbo! Yeah. Chester with me, oy! Nice situation by Beta. Oy! LeBron, nice steal. All the way to Boggs for 2 points, assist by the ball. Chester. Floater, no good. Foul! Out of bounds. Foul.
42 dapat kami. Hindi pa na-score yung dos? 42 ba dapat?
Sorry. 42 sa akin. 42. Wala paraan. Alak pa.
Ready sub, ready sub.
Next sub daw, next sub.
Mark, ready sub.
Ready sub, rep. Ready sub. Ready sub. Box, perimeter, wala. Wala, ayaw. Sub. Ready sub, rep. Ready sub.
Nabigay na.
Nabigay na. Play on. Kasi nabigay na eh.
Ayingay nyo kasi yung gulo-gulo nyo eh. Gulo-gulo nyo kasi ayaw nyo ano eh. Ayusin nyo kasi commentator nyo. Ako yung gulo mo! Hindi nagsasalita, commentator eh.
Atake pa rin, malita na. With a nice steal, Jared. Penetrating to the middle. Christian, nice pass. Wala. Let's give it a nice
Defense
rebound.
up, box out!
Nash. Wala ka din. Rebound by Jethro.
Likod!
Rep, pwede sa ba? Hindi naman makapasok si Miguel ulit. Oy! Out of bounds! Stop, Rep! Ready, stop! Jared, for three! Wala! Pangilinan, nice rebound. Naghahanap ng kakampi. Kabila! Other side! Just a crossover, perimeter shot! No good. Nash with a nice rebound. Nash. Naghahanap ng mga makasama naman. Go all the way back. Bumabangga up! Out of bounds! Huwag mong subukan! Mas malaki yan! Kapangga buhay mo!
Double bang guys.
Masira ang buhay mo!
Antikilos pa.
Jokers. Nice play by Christian. Taas lang! To Nash. Foul! Who's foul, ref? Number 11. Ito na 11. Sino number 11? Oh, may taas ng kamay. Taas mo ng kamay yung rebound. Yun. Nico, third personal foul. Uy, penetrating inside, easy. Nash! Christian! Jared to Christian sa gitna. Nice stop by Chester, reverse. Rebound by Nico. Rebound by Nico, Pili na to. Pili, miss. Rebound by Rusty. Nash, bumangga. One foul. 2 points. And one. Number 5. Stop.
Ginugulo eh.
Ikaw muna. Ikaw muna. 4 minutes na lang. Buko na eh. Hindi naman na yung sinasabi sa Nico, Nico. Pass to Jethro. Mas maganda yung feeling namin na nakaraan. No good. No foul. Nice. Likod. Nash to Jared from Lee. No good. Nico. Second shot. Foul. Foul by Aaron. Foul by Aaron. Aaron, fourth personal foul. Wala ba? First.
Jason. Ganti ka na, dagdagan natin.
Jethro sa gitna, binigay kay Nico to Jason. Jason, papasok sa gitna, wala. Blind pass to Nico. Hindi na lang naabot. Nico to Jethro. Jethro. Nice assist by Jethro. Nico, 2 more.
Stop guys, one stop.
Jared to Nash sa gitna. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by Jason. Jethro, right pass straight kay Jason. Double team by Jared and Christian. Pass to Billy. 3 points, fake.
Hands up!
Hey! Ano yun?
Casual na.
Ano yun? Jason to Nico. Nico for 3. No good. Nash with the rebound.
Yeah, push!
Wala. Errol. Kung magkita sa kanya, si Leslie. Errol tirat ng 3. No good.
Sub.
Ready sub. Ready sub. 2 minutes na.
Wala na stop. Wala na. May 20 ka, meron yan. Pag may 20. Ano lang, kahit half the jobs lang.
Billy pass to Nico. Nico to triple. Pass to Jethro. Nice pass. 2 points.
Mga penetrate nila. Wala lang kayong depensa.
Jared, shot. Nabitawan. Jason, nice. Rebound. Pass to Jethro. Turnover.
Good day. Ayaw, walo lang.
Score, 40. Ball in the woods. Jared for 3.
Nice one. Dalawang 3 points. Dalawang 3 points. Kailangan si Jackson.
Jethro to Nico. To Jason to Jethro with fake. Hand by Billy. Perimeter shot. 2 points.
Ganado mga player ng kalaban ah.
Leslie Jared for 3 from the logo. From the parking lot. 3 points. 25 seconds. James. 50 seconds.
Hey, corner.
15.
Hey, corner.
Leslie. Nice team by Leslie. Pass to Jared. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back to the ball game.
Play ka na. J-Look. Play ka na. Nag-play? Diyan sa akin.
Ano gusto niyo?
Fourth na.
Gusto mo mag-extend? Time partners pa kayo. Kayo nagtasin. Traveling. Jared. Pass to box to the middle, binigay kay Jason to Penta. Pangilinan floater, no good, rebound by Nash. Foul number 5, Pangilinan. Second personal foul, first team foul.
Use your foul on the pass.
First shot. John, masuk na rin. Tumigilit. Rebound by Jason. Jason to Penta. Nagmamadali. Side step to Billy. Billy in the middle. Pass to Bob. Wala, Ivan Guerrero. Ay, nako. Turnover. Score 50-49 in favor of ball in the hood. Jason, binigay kay Billy. Billy mag-isip. Binigay in the middle. Box to Jason. Jason, fade. Step, Pangilinan. Jumper, 2 points. Pangilinan, 2 points. Jared. Jared removing the ball. Nash to LeBron. Foul. No shot. Foul by Jason.
Fourth personal foul.
Radway! Third personal foul by Jason. Ayan na nagawa si Billy. Billy, box to Pritam. Bilis, 2 points. Turbo, assist by Box. Jackson. Bumaga, 2 points. No good. Billy, the rebound. Out the pass. Jason to Pritam. Bilis left. Another 2 points. No good. Rebound by Nash. Good. Oy, LeBron! LeBron with the rebound. Spin move. Pass to Aaron. Foul! Billy! Foul, Billy! Sabala. First personal foul. Third team foul. First shot. Rebound by Billy. Another 3 points. LeBron James with a rebound. Pass to Jared. No good. Jason. Napakasay na ni Jason. No foul. Billy. Foul.
Stop. Got it.
Stop. Ref, substitution, ref. Pasok. Pasok na, pre.
Now you know. Lampito.
Kulang. Ref, ready sub, ref. Chester. Ref, ready sub, ref. Ready sub. Aaron. Aaron with the rebound. No good. Chester. Fake, 2 points.
Last quarter na, pre! Last quarter na!
Score 54-52 in favor of Ball in the Hood. Rapol, post moves. Binigay kay Pangilinan, Chato, perimeter lock. No, rebound by LeBron James.
Metro, layup!
LeBron James, sabi na LeBron. Setting up the play for Rashford. Arrow for 3. No, rebound by Box. Box to Jason. Penetrating perimeter shot. Wala. Rebound by Chester. Chester to LeBron James. LeBron James.
Time out. Wag na. Sub na lang. Sub. Ready sub.
Red Bull, huwag mo na sabihin.
Red Bull na lang.
Pag puminto siya, saka mo sabihin. Kung may nag-shooting na mo, paano siya? Pagaling mo nga, pre.
Mamaya na mo mag-shooting. Pagkatapos mo na Eurostep, papuntang Europe.
Diba?
Chester to LeBron. Penetrate. Rebound by Aaron. Chester fake. Easy 2 points. Score 56-54 in favor of Rashford Spartans.
Can't shoot.
Jason. Tanang bola.
Start! Taas mo na!
Foul by Aaron. Foul by Aaron. Third. Personal foul. Third. Depende ka? Dalawa. Wala.
Pakot. Tapos pasok na lang. Best
Jason. Pasok sa ilalim. Foul. And 1. Who's foul ref? Foul by Aaron. Fourth. Personal foul.
Graduate ka na.
Ihanda mo na ang toga. Graduate ka na, anak.
Ihanda mo lang alak. Inom ka naman.
Last shot by Jason. Good.
Ang ganda na laro, nakainom ah. Bagay pa naman.
Score 57-56 in favor of Ball in the Hood. Chester penetrating. Fake. Wala. Rebound by Rashford. Foul by Chester. Foul by Chester.
Sabre? Ako na.
Hindi, siya lang.
Sige. Hey, you can do it, ha? Pumasok ka na, Nash. Silyo. Na. Gusto ko sino? Last mo nga na.
Sa kanila, si Basilio.
Oh, habol tayo ha, habol. Tristan, harap.
Billy. Billy out of bounds. Rascal. To Tristan for 3. Nice pass to Jethro. Boy, assist by Sakina. Jared for 2 points.
Tristan, heads up. Heads up,
Isa lang. Jethro.
Heads up.
Sa ilalim.
Bibente ka?
Tumbang ilinan. Wrong. Rebound by Pangilinan.
James, pastor!
Pangilinan, pass to Jason. Jethro to Repol. In the middle, finger roll, no good. Let's see. Uy, yung satlang.
50 seconds to shoot.
Wala pa. Let's see. Terminal. 3 points. Ulit ang Brass Sports.
Tristan, hands up!
20 seconds, shot clock. 15 seconds, shot clock.
Tristan, kabila! Hands up, hands up!
10, 7, foul by number 30. Tamat nga ang kamay, isa na yung foul, number 30.
Time out ba kayo? Sab lang. Tristan. Sab lang! Time out ba kayo? Hoy, sab lang. Diba? Ba't kayo umano?
Para may gumagalaw.
Walang time out. Ito si James. Pound, si ano, 50, Tristan.
Nag-pressure yun. Hindi, masap na. Ref, hindi ba yun? Yung foul ba yun? Two shots. Gano ha? 24 second shot clock. 14 na yun. 14 na kasi.
Alat ko dyan, ayaw mo kasi.
Kailan yung sa start? Pag sa
Pagkatapos yung
dalawang tira.
Box out, James!
second shot. It's good. Let's see. 20 seconds, shot clock. Jared for 3. Rebound by Billy. Jethro. Sayang. Jethro. Foul. James. Foul by James.
Hands po.
Ano ba yun?
Ganun.
Ayun, tawag mo.
Personal foul.
Ano ba yan, ref?
Penalty.
Unsportsmanlike foul.
Penalty po.
Oh, lasing eh. First shot, good. 2 shots plus ano lang yata yun?
Nadikit na.
Wala yung ano kasi ano yung unscreen eh.
Hindi naman din eh. Keep shooting. 2 shots, good. Time, 1 minute, 1 second.
Oh, may isa kami timeout, no?
Oh, tama. Oh, isang
May isa kami timeout.
Tama, ano na?
Mamaya, walang timeout. Tinatanong lang.
Oh,
Wala, isa-isa ng timeout.
15 seconds to shoot.
Pag 10-9-8 tayo.
10, nice steal, Leslie. Leslie Gonzalez. Pangilinan, dinodouble team. Scarlett with a nice steal. Foul! Foul by Ramon.
Wala. House ball, rip. Rip, sino foul?
Rebol yan. Rebol.
20s.
15 seconds. Foul. Foul by.
Penalty?
Penalty pa.
Hindi, panlima na yan.
Penalty na.
Sino foul?
Penalty na.
Ayun. Time out.
Timeout dyan, ibang nasa kaya.
No foul.
Rip!
Kaya foul.
Sino foul kanina?
Oh, pag na-shoot time out. Kasi ako kinakausap niyo. Yung isa sa drive-thru, bumili ng burger.
Wala na, isa-isa ng timeout. Isa-isa na.
Wala na.
Sino ba na time-out?
Nag-timeout kami kanina. Kanina pa yun. Tapos sila. Hindi na ako. Nag-timeout sila eh. Si ano, Peter Ball.
14 seconds shot clock. Oh. 14 seconds.
Sa ano, sa last game. Sa last quarter. 2 minutes. Sa 2 minutes. Under 2 minutes may shot clock. Wala.
Sa ilalim. Pumili ng rebound.
10 seconds. 10.
Nice rebound. Foul. Sub.
Hindi mo
Ref,
patuloy.
it's foul, ref. Ref, it's foul.
Isa ba kami timeout? Wala, isa-isa lang.
Kayo foul, ref.
Kaya ano, 76.
James, take your time. Nice, James. James, supply mo daw, James. Oh, wala nang timeout, ha?
Oras, boy! Boy, oras!
for 3, 5 seconds. No good. Pangilinan without. Out of bounds.
Sa akin pa magagawa ng mga puta. Yan mga kalaban.
Okay.
Oras!